What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Sex, sex, kinky sex, 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 kinky sex, 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 kinky sex, 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 kinky sex, sex gone, kinky sex, sex gone, kinky sex, sex gone, kinky sex. Sex gone, kinky sex. Sex gone, kinky sex. It's you, Reggie.
Harry Cook. Ooh, that's me. Dirty whore.
Sex, caca, 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 sex, caca.
Dirty whore.
Herpes.
Dirty whore.
Sex gone, kinky sex.
Gonorrhea. Harry Cocker. I'm Harry Cocker. Harry Cocker.
Singing our song all day long.
Hogwarts. I found the source of the takings. It's a python.
Yay!
No.
Reggie!
Granny sex. Ooh, granny sex.
Hey!
Alright, let's try one more.
Alright, hey, what's cracking with you fools? It's time to go. Time for the party credits.
Shout it. Drop it down low. Shout it. Drop it down low. Shout it. Hey, now you can find me. Sipping Patron and VIP. Watching the bracelet I see. Tryna holler at everything I see. Now ride with me. Shawty got looks. What's he talking about? Shawty got class. What's he talking about? Shawty got hips. Drop it down low. Shawty got ass.
First time I seen her, walked through the door, greeted her with the swag, had to let her mama know. That ass so fat, I put her in the figure 4. She everything a nigga need and a little more. Check out her wrist, watch, her neck, frozen. Camera phones flash, lil' mama start posing. Jimmy Choo's fitting, who you kidding, you been chosen. Blown by the lifestyle, but I rock Trojan. She lethal with that weapon, proceed with extreme caution. Go Barack Obama